Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to use the parsing module. So first we need to select a problem, so let's just start with 1001, which is pretty easy. So we have to decide, is this an official notation, informal notation, or not well formed, and if it has a tree we have to produce one. So this is official notation because it's a sentence according to the rules, there's no tree to do, so it's correct. Very exciting. Let's take a look at 3. So 3, does this look like it's a sentence? If it is, it's official notation or informal notation. If it's not a sentence, we'll say not well formed. So if we're not sure, we could click official, and it tells us it's incorrect. So we try informal, but in fact, it's not well formed. It's not a sentence at all, and if we click check, then it's correct. Note we did not do a tree over here. It's not well formed, so it wasn't produced by the rules, so there's no tree to display the way it was produced by the rules. When it's not well formed, no tree. Let's try 7. Okay, so this is official, informal, or not well formed. Well, let's see, this looks like it might be a sentence, so let's see if it is. Well, we need to break it into its parts. So we need to find the main connective, and this, as it turns out, is the main connective because we have an arrow, a sentence on one side, and then a parenthesis, and then we have the arrow and this parenthesis way over there, and between this arrow and this parenthesis we have this thing, which is a sentence. So this is an arrow with a sentence on both sides and parentheses around the whole thing. So let's look at this. This part is done now. This is bottomed out because we're down to a sentence letter. Let's look over here. So again, we have to find the main connective. Might it be this? In fact, it's not. When you click on something that's not the main connective, it will turn red. In fact, this is the main connective. And how do we know that? Well, because we have the arrow, a sentence, and then a parenthesis. We have the arrow, a sentence, and then a parenthesis. So we have parentheses, and then in the middle, an arrow, and between each parenthesis and the arrow, a sentence. And that makes that arrow the main connective because the Q and the negation were added to the arrow and put inside parentheses to build this thing. Okay, this is now done, this Q, because we're down to the sentence letter. Here, we have to find the main connective again, and in this case, it's the negation, because the negation was added to the conditional inside of these parentheses. So we'll click there, and we see, yep, that's what the negation was added to. This time, the conditional, the arrow is the main connective. This one branch is now done because we're down to an atomic letter. So let's see, I think this is official, and I think we're done, so I'm going to click check. And this is correct, it is official notation, but it's incomplete. Why is that? Because this part is not down to a sentence letter, so we have to click that negation. And now every branch of the tree, this branch, that branch, and that branch, has hit a sentence letter and it's bottomed out. And now we're done. We've correctly identified that it's an official notation, and we've completed the tree. So that's what you do. You figure out, is it a sentence or not? If it is a sentence, if it's not a sentence, you just click not well formed and you're done. If it is a sentence, you decide is it official or informal, and you complete the tree. And the order in which you do these doesn't matter. So that's how you do parsing problems. If you have any questions, please let me know.